Kelly. It's a little thick up the top here, just for a few feet. Even beating the dogs through. We came from way down there. Hard to see. And we're going up there. Yeah, they're smelling everywhere. A couple different trails up this hill. Ground, Cal, ground's so soft and spongy here, it's crazy. There's one of the pines. Huh. Is that the knothole? No real fresh grapes. A few little things. Oh! Yeah, some bits of bark off high. So you got a small bear wandering around, that's possible there. Look at the other ones, there's a couple more up here. You're leaving your own gift? What a good girl. This, incidentally, right back there, is where I found a game cam that a bear had stolen from me. Something struck me to come up this hill. It was about a half kilometer away, maybe a little more. There's another tree they generally mark a lot. Yeah, ground's worn at the face. Some buzzed over scat. Fresh new scrapes here and there. Oh, Jesus. Right up into those branches. Holy shit. Yeah, that's 8 or 9 feet. Yeah, fresh ones on this side too. Not digging hard yet though. There's a big male around here somewhere. But we always see a young male or two wandering around. One more pine needs to get over here. Pause this. Man, it's quite the drop considering we're like halfway down. There's a big ridgeline way behind us. Huge drop here. There's another drop 50 feet past that. Didn't check that pine over there yet. Yeah, there's a few little scratch scrapes. Somebody was standing here. Little bits broken off, nothing serious. Another little pile of scat. Oh, fresher scrapes on this side. Yeah. Snapping on that tree, really. We'll check this one. Oh, another fuzzed over pile of crap. Dog trying to wear herself out. Coming up the hill, high speed. High rate of velocity. More bear scat. Small stuff. A few little scrapes and nicks out of the tree, fresh. Not super high again. Don't see anything on it. Well, yeah, a little bit here. There's another one down that way, and 2 more real big white pine down over towards the village that they mark a lot. You might check those out. Heading down over a very steep hill. Dogs find their own way, of course. I, being the foolhardy man, shall walk straight down the hill, as ill-advised as it may seem. Oh, another white pine or two to check out. I don't know why they like the white pine so much. Yeah, the dogs are into it. Ground's all torn up around it. No real scrapes or anything. So this, well, fair amount of scat. Yep, more scat. Ground's all torn up here. Somebody's been rolling around, rubbing themselves all over this. I gotta put a game cam out here. Get some cool bear footage. He just about ran me down. Holy man, he was moving. Absolutely no cares, eh, Toad? You piss on that way? Oh, yeah. How much scuffed up ground here, too. Around the base of this white pine. Oh, that looks like something might have been living under it. Oh, yeah. There's something in there. There's something digging it out. Oh, yeah, something was digging this out because we were here just the other day. I think I have a video of this. There might be something new in there. Huh, cool.